Hi everyone! You're watching the Cook and Eat Show. I'm your host Nibble, and today we're going to look at what's in my fridge. Today I wanted to use my tofu. I like medium firm or firm. I had a yellow onion, but purple or white would work. And red potatoes, although of course any potato works for this. I have some go-to seasonings to give tofu a nice savory umami flavor. I'll list them out below. And as always, good old herbs. I had already squeezed dried the tofu. It doesn't have to be bone dry to come out well. I know there's advice to press it and make sure every last drop of water is gone, but I found that squeezing it on different sides works. As long as it's not dripping, it should come out fine. Crumbling the tofu was delightfully gross. You want it to have a minced meat look, but you can make this more or less chunky. I ended up setting it aside to dry out just a little bit more. For today, I diced the potatoes. However, if you want to get fancier, you can cut them into potato wedges or dice them even smaller. The larger the pieces, of course, the longer it can take for them to cook through, and since I was pretty peckish, I wanted them diced into little cubes, like this. I cooked the onions first so as not to overcook them, and so the potatoes would cook in the oniony juices. You can just cook them both together from the start, or add the onions to the potatoes at a later point. It's up to you. I like to season food when it's almost ready, so you'll see there is nothing on these potatoes. I just think the food absorbs the flavors better so it's not sitting on top of the food. And speaking of seasonings, season your soy, like a lot, a whole lot, like a lot, trust me. Pretty much the tofu is done when it gets to your preferred level of crisp, or about 5 minutes on medium-high heat. I threw in some asparagus, then over roasted them in the oven. Oh well. Overall, I love this dish, and I would definitely scramble my tofu again. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep eating.